Hello guys. Haven't been on YouTube for a while now. It's been about a month since I last made a video. But this time I'm going to make a map made of squares like I used to do in Python Fun with Shapes episode 2, but this time in JavaScript. And and it's as easy because it's going to be very easy, so let's get into it. So, 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 we first need to make a square. So, function square, uh, length. Uh, we need to be able to make a square. So let's copy and paste this. Basically, it. So from the draw command. So copy this. So ctx dot begin path, but instead of value, we are going to change it to length. Uh, so we need to do this in. So we need to have an initial code for this. So the initial code is. So we need to have initial code. I do have a GitHub thing on that. Uh, so it's called a repository. I do have a GitHub repository on that, so you could go in the description and then download it from here. So we're going to go right at the end of the program, just before the script calls the end. Uh, so we're going to do function square length. So this does require HTML and CSS, but we're only going to focus on JavaScript. So CTX dot begin path, of course. We're going to begin path outside. So for var I equals for variable I equals 4, I bigger than equals to 1, I minus minus. It's just so that it can repeat 4 times. This is out of place. Should be here. Look, look. Now now this should be outside. So this ctx dot rotate uh I by deg degree, actually no, 90 uh 90 times math dot pi divided by 180, or math dot pi divided by 2 to simplify that. Mm, so I to to run this, you usually go on to so to run this you usually go onto this. So I am going to show you how to run this. So open up this. Gosh, tell me, s- s- tell me my, tell me my stuff is not going to get leaked. Uh, Scripts. Fun shapes. It's going to be different for you, but find your file. Find your file and then go to go to the file name that you called it for this. In my case, it's called JS Turtle. Uh, but yours will be different unless you named it JS Turtle. And so we are going to open it. Oh gosh, nope. We are going to open with Google Chrome. We have it here. Uh, we still have uh is we're not I am that's how you open it, but I am going to use a different way to open because it's much more simpler. It requires to do Django, but that's not my point of the video. So we are not going to go into doing any Django setup. So we are going to leave we're going to we're not going to evolve in Django. So let's go back to the video. So now we have created the square, uh, and then we have created a square now. Now we need to actually call the command. So 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 uh. I sorry sorry excuse me, I say, for var I equals uh, for variable I equals 360, I bigger than equals to 1, I minus square 300. mm, mm, uh, CTX is called CTX. So the title is called CTX. The rotates uh one times actually math dot pi divided by 180. So now let's run this. Wait. So that's what it created. Interested. Uh, but oh, that's nice actually. Uh, so yeah, that's done. But ctx dot rotate math dot pi. That's not really necessary, but uh oh, had no effect. So let's leave that alone. Probably this problem. Re I bigger than 0. Why are we wasting time? The code is done. The code is done. Believe it or not. So in fact, that should actually be the end of the video. So goodbye.